Sawmill screaming out, ripping through my mind. Rib cage reaching out, holding down the pine. Sunrise burning down, scorching through the night. Now I lay me down to sleep, sanctify the sight.
You ain't never been to the haunted mound.
Oscar.
Alcoholics, real, haunted, mound.
Screaming out, ripping through my mind. Reaching out, holding down the pine. Burning down, scorching through the night. Sawmill screaming out, ripping through my mind. Rib cage reaching out, holding down the pine. Sunrise burning down, scorching through the night. Now I lay me down to sleep, sanctify the sight. Sawmill screaming out, ripping through my mind. Rib cage reaching out, holding down the pine. Sunrise burning down, scorching through the night. Now I lay me down to sleep, sanctify the sight. Autumn again, my head's a mess. Sickness purged my body on my deathbed. Eyes burning red, hollowed out chest. Skeleton riven and shatter my head. Walking down the road between the slopes by the great big oak. Carved the cause of death, an epitaph on a broken stone. I'll be at the sawmill, you can meet me, I'll be all alone. You can hear the sound of my blood cutting right down to the bones. All those years ago, memories that I used to know. Threaded in the sawmill on the hill where flowers decompose. Sun was shining through the summer, now the river never flows. Can you feel the presence of my soul blood pushing in your dome? Sawmill screaming out, ripping through my mind. Rib cage reaching out, holding down the pine. Sunrise burning down, scorching through the night. Now I lay me down to sleep, sanctify the sight. Sawmill screaming out, ripping through my mind. Rib cage reaching out, holding down the pine. Sunrise burning down, scorching through the night. Now I lay me down to sleep, sanctify the sight. Sanctify the sight.
Haunted mound.
Scorching through the night.
Hauntaholics mixtapes.
Ripping through my mind.